Hey everybody, this is Eric Stark from the Smart RVer podcast presenting another Fast Tip Friday, and today we're going to be talking about leveling your RV properly. So if you like these videos, please hit the like button and subscribe. So leveling your RV seems pretty simple. Now a lot of people have automatic levelers, does the job for them, but a lot of trailers primarily don't have automatic levelers, even though they're coming on more and more these days. So you still have to level the RV. And let's say you're doing it the old-fashioned way, as some might say, and you're using conventional levels. This one's pretty big, quite often used on fifth wheels, travel trailers, but most primarily on fifth wheels. But you might have smaller levels on the side of the RV. They might be the bubble type like this. They might be the liquid type like this. Stick on, screw on, doesn't matter. But what a lot of people don't realize is you have to level your refrigerator. Well, I say don't realize. Now, it might not be totally inaccurate because a lot of people realize your refrigerator does have to be level, especially according to the manufacturers. They scare you into this, or it's got to be perfect, or it's going to blow up or something if it's not level. All right, so you want to level the refrigerator, but how do you level the refrigerator and the RV at the same time? Well, how do you level the RV and use these at the same time? Level the refrigerator, level the RV. What a lot of people don't realize is you need to level the refrigerator before you ever mount these on the side of the RV. And I'm holding up this little round level. Doesn't have to be one of these, but these work great for refrigerators. You set it inside on the freezer shelf, and when this is level, your RV should be level. And if your RV is not perfectly level when this is level, it doesn't matter. You want the refrigerator level, right? That's what the manufacturers say. The refrigerators work better when they're level. So you get the refrigerator level. So if you bought these, you don't want to put them on until you level the refrigerator. A lot of people don't do that. They kind of put these on and level the RV according to these later on. So level your refrigerator. And then you take these, whether it's the screw on or stick on, these can actually go either way. And these happen to have bearings in them. They don't have liquid. So you can mount one after the refrigerator's level. You can mount one on the front of the RV, like so. And you put the other one on the side of it, like right in the corner. And when both of those are level, your RV is going to be level and the refrigerator will be level if you do the refrigerator first. It's important. And you can just take these and leave it in the refrigerator, in the freezer actually. It's not going to hurt it. It's always there. So after you level up according to this, you go and check your refrigerator. If it's level, everything's good. And it should be if you installed these properly. That's the thing, putting these on properly after you level the refrigerator. So there you go. Pretty simple. If you have one of these, it's the same thing. You want to level the refrigerator first and then install this. Get the refrigerator level. That's the key. These work great, very visible. If you can't see, if you're backing up, looking out the rear view mirror or out the rear window of your truck or rear view mirror, either way. So there's a simple little trick, leveling your RV. So please like and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you in the next one, and thanks for stopping by.